In this video, we're unboxing and installing the wind deflectors for Honda Civic 2010. Here are the wind deflectors with double-sided tape. Before installing the wind deflectors, we need to clean the door frame surface. Peel off the adhesive backing from the wind deflectors. After the door frame surface is cleaned, position the wind deflectors onto the door frame. Line it up. Press firmly to secure it. Peel off the protective film. This is how the front door wind deflectors look after installation. Peel off the adhesive backing from the wind deflectors. Apply the wind deflectors onto the clean door frame. Align it for installation. Press firmly. Once it's stuck down, peel off the protective film. Here's the rear door wind deflectors after installation.